55% of 7. 96 squared.
9,216.
2020 squared.
4080400.
Thank you, Saji sir, for teaching me maths. I really enjoyed maths with you and your classes. I also liked how you taught me maths, and I really like the fun way of learning maths. The things I like about you is you're kind, you're caring, and you're helpful. You were the best math teacher I ever.
My name is Tarun. I wanted to share my knowledge of Saji's Vedic Math class. It's wonderful, fun, and easy to learn. I definitely recommend it.
Thank you, Saji sir, for teaching me VMath. I just want to say thank you for teaching me and my friends. Is Kaveri, and I'm from Florida. And I enjoy learning Vedic Math with Saji sir. Vedic Math makes learning math very easy.
Very good morning and a happy new year to all. I am Arna Naidu welcoming you to this fabulous workshop. You have seen the video where our wonderful little ones are playing with numbers. They are all VMath students who have been trained in Vedic Maths, our ancient Indian wisdom. I would like to welcome our Chief Advisor, Narayana Prasadji, our Director Rameshji, and our Advisor Pranatji to this wonderful session. I welcome all our students and their parents who have joined from different parts of the country. This workshop will give you a deep insight into what Vedic Maths is and how we can conquer this subject and excel in a very student-friendly way. Let's start the program with a prayer by our well-known Shiva Ganga. She is a contestant in the Z Keralam reality show and part of many other musical shows. Warm welcome, dear Shiva.
നന്മയാകുന്ന കാന്തി കാണുവാൻ കണ്ണിനാകേണമേ, നല്ല വാക്കിന്റെ ശീലു ചൊല്ലുവാൻ നാവിനാകേണമേ, സ്നേഹമാകുന്ന ഗീതമോ എന്റെ കാതിലിണയാകണേ, സത്യമെന്നുള്ള ശീലമോടെന്നെ ശാന്തി അറിയണമേ. ഭൂമി അമ്മ എന്നറിയുവാനുള്ള ബോധമുണ്ടാക്കണേ, ജീവജാലങ്ങളാകയും ജന്മബന്ധുവായിടണേ, ജാതിഭേദങ്ങളെന്ന ശാപമാ തോരെ മറയണമേ, ലോകമുന്നിന്ന പാഠമെന്നും മനസ്സിലെഴുതേണമേ.
Hi, good morning all and Happy New Year too. Wishing you all a happy learning with VMAT. Thank you so much, sir, for inviting me to be part of this program. Thank you.
Hello, very good morning, everyone. We are going to have a wonderful time today with learning maths. And before I start my program or class, I have to introduce you a few who have been with me, giving strong support, and that made this workshop today here. Thank you so much. I would like to welcome our strong supporter and our chief advisor, Narayana Prasadji, to wish a happy learning. You can talk a few words. You can unmute and talk. Okay, Narayana Prasadji, please get ready. Premji, Premnaji, please.
Yes, welcome all students to our VMAT distant learning program. Wish you all a happy learning experience. Thank you.
And this was Premnaji, who is a strong supporter and who is always with me, supporting every way. And thank you, Premnaji, for coming and just wishing happy learning to everyone. And now we have Rameshji, who is the part of me. And I know that without Ramesh, it was not possible to organize this program. And every step, everywhere, Ramesh is with me. Rameshji, please.
Masha,
Okay, I can see you. You can talk. Oh, you can talk now.
okay, right.
Yeah. Yes.
One and all, everybody, happy learning. All the best wishes to Master and each and every student of to participate in the program and wish you happy success to be supreme success. Namaste. Thank you. Welcome to all. That is
Okay.
the end
Okay.
of my speech. Sajimash.
And now, Nara Prasadji, are you there to speak a few
Hundreds
words?
of people have will join there. 2 3 people cannot join there.
Hello.
Location is okay. Location. Location is what?
And
Location is. Not
dear all, Narayana Prasadji, please get ready whenever you are comfortable. And I am Saji, introducing this program, introducing a Vedic Maths workshop today for you guys. And it's a very pleasant morning, and everybody is so happy, I think. Very excited to address all of you here to talk out a few words about Vedic mathematics and show what exactly the ancient Indian wisdom is. And Narayana Prasadji, once you are ready, please message me. And while I'm standing here, I know that all you guys are ready to know what exactly Vedic Math is, right? We have some different kind of vague ideas. And good morning, everyone. Good morning, everybody is joining. Okay, I'm watching the messages at the times. Okay, please excuse if I'm not answering all the questions here right now, as I am going to involve in the class. And let us see that why Vedic Math is so unpopular in India. I think it's very unpopular, right? We know everybody knows what is abacus, but most of the have no idea what Vedic Math is. The Indian, our contribution, it's our own contribution, the great ancient Indian wisdom, and we have no idea what exactly it is. So we thought that myself, Narayana Prasadji, and Vishwanathji, Premat, and everybody together, we all together decided that we have to take it to every child in the world. And we have a lot of students from different parts of the country and different parts of the world, and everybody is enjoying maths. And if you are still not aware of what Vedic Math is, here I am going to show you what exactly Vedic Math is. Okay, I hope that you are going to learn something. So please sit straight and give a wonderful smile. I hope you can do that. Yes, I visualize you are doing that. And now, I have one question. Our country is great in mathematical contribution or science contribution to the world. You know that. You had heard about Aryabhata, who has realized the pi values, who could calculate the pi values, and you have learned a lot about Sushruta, the contribution of India to the science and medical field. India was the best, and thousands of years ago we had achieved everything that is even now the people are not able to match up with, even the Western civilization. So children, I am going to ask you one question. And now let us come to the casual, normal, very mathematical classroom. And I'm asking one question. Why are we all scared of mathematics when India itself is the cradle of mathematics? And why do we think that it is that mathematics is a boring subject and we can't learn it? Most 70 to 80% of the students in the class are really cut a sorry figure when it comes to mathematics. Why? I'll tell you very honestly what is the reason. Maybe you got such an introduction, or you would have got a teacher who was very strict, like a teacher like this. Look at this. Here we have a teacher who is teaching. Watch the video.
Do you all understand? I assume you all understand. What?
I don't understand from there.
From where?
From the beginning.
What don't you understand here? What don't you understand here? This is X. X has cancelled X and X has cancelled X. 1x equals to 2x and 1 is equals to 2. So what don't you understand?
I understand.
Sit down.
Okay, I don't understand.
From where don't you understand? From where?
From nothing.
Yes, that was one of the reason. Maybe math teachers are always typical. What do they say? They ask, do you understand? And we will not be able to say, yes, sir, I understood. We have to say that always. And as a result, math is a really horrible subject for many students, even if it is very innocent subject. It hasn't done anything. But the way we are approaching the subject makes us dumb or good at this. Okay. And I am asking, most of my classes, I ask children, you learn a lot of things in the class. You know what 1 million is? You have heard about big numbers. You have heard what is exactly trillion and all. If I give 1 trillion rupee to you, where will you keep it? All my students said that they will keep it in the cupboard. Look what they are saying. They are going to keep 1 trillion rupee in the cupboard. And this is what we hear in the class, in the school. We learn about 1 million. But what happened to us? We think that we can keep this 1 million in the cupboard. What we teach in the school really never connected to real life. That is what happens in math teaching and learning. And that is why we don't enjoy this subject. And now see that all of you have come here early morning. This is a Sunday. You have to go to church, you have to go to temple, you have to go everywhere, canceling all the programs you have come here. And I am going to give you 1 trillion rupee. Are you happy? Are you happy? I am going to give you 1 trillion rupee. Where will you keep it? I ask the same question. Where will you keep it? Can you answer in the chat box? Where will you keep it? In the house? In the cupboard? Don't keep it in the bank. Don't say that I will keep it in the bank. Where? Where? Please write down the answer. I am waiting for it. Where are you going to keep it? Yes, Guru Prasad, Rabu. Okay, very good. Come on, bang. Okay, no, I don't want you to go outside. I know you, it's very, very horrible. No, don't go outside now. It's coming around. Locker is good. I don't know. Sanghida. Okay, you can keep it kitchen. No problem. Okay, next. I am happy. Okay, very good. You are happy. You should be very happy, Harshita Reddy. And then you should keep it in the bank. No. I am going to give you liquid, a solid cash. Not okay. Where will you keep it? Piggy bank. Okay. If you keep sofa, okay, you will keep it in the house safe, I think. Okay. Yes, very good. Wherever you keep, I'm very happy. But make sure that nobody sees where you keep it. Okay. The time is not so good. See, here come your 1 trillion rupee.
In just 15 seconds,
Okay, now you can hear me, right?
Very easy. Sir, it's not audible to us.
You're on mute.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So I have two videos which are turned on. Okay, now Adit, can you answer 55 times 6?
What?
55 multiplied by 3.
165.
55. Okay, 160. 55 multiplied by 3 is 165. 44 times 8.
44 into 8.
Yeah. He is just in UKG. I think that you guys can hear me right now. Okay, if you cannot hear, please.
352.
Okay, very good. 44 times 3. Okay, very good. Adit, I am not going to ask you any question because the people are here to learn more about Vedic mathematics. Okay. And this is what happens when every time, if child is trained in Vedic mathematics, we can easily get them learn all the multiplication tables up to 100 very, very easily. So if you he's a UKG child, okay. If you cannot hear me, please put me in the chat box so that I can, okay, make you make reasonable adjustments. Okay, now we are going without making much time. Here is one more question. And if you get a multiplication table like that, 11, you want to multiply a number by 11. 11 into 33. What is the answer for this? What we usually do is we always, add 3, 33 times 10. And then what we do, we 33 times 10 and plus one more 33 will add. That is the answer what we are getting, right? In Vedic Maths, there is a wonderful way of doing this. What is 33 times 11? You just add them together, 3 plus 3. You add 3 and 3 and you get 3 is 6 you get, and you put it in the middle and write down. That's the answer for 33 times 3. Did you get it? And it is not, okay, it's not 3, 8. Okay, I'll give another question. I'm giving 44 times. You can look at this. 44 times 11. 44 times 11. And how will you do that? You can simply add 4 and 4. You know that 4 plus 4 is 8. Right in the middle of 44, you get 484. That is how we get 44 times 11. And in Vedic mathematics, there is a way of getting everything done such a way. So now I am going to ask you guys, and Aditri is waiting. Okay, Aditri, stay there. I am going to ask you one more question. 35 into 11. Can you put it in the chat box? 35 times 11. I want to see it flying in the chat box. Come on, 35. Add 3 and 5. You get 8. Put it in the middle of 35. See, I will show you this also. 3, right, 35. And add them together. 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5. That is 8 and 385. That is how we do multiply numbers with 11. And let me show one more question so that you can answer very fast. 62 times 11. Can you answer 62 times 11? 62 multiplied by 11. Very good. 62 multiplied by 11. You have to add 6 and 2. Put it in the middle of 62. 2. Yes, I am getting answers a little delayed. Ah, very good. 682. Who gave me this answer? Oh, very good. Bill, oh, okay. Srinanda, very good, Srinanda. Come on, next one. Everybody, please write down the answer. 682. 62 times 11 is 682. Okay, I think you seem to be really smart. Can I give one more question? Very fast. Let's solve it. 71 times 11. 71 times 11. I want to see who is going to give the first answer. 71 times 11. Okay, 1 minute. I'll be back. Yes, we have 71 times 11.
discover how to
Guys, can you hear me? Hi, could you please reply? Hello? Can you all hear me, please? Okay, thank you so much. Yes. One minute, I'm getting things ready, okay? Okay, I'm sorry for the inconvenience caused. I had some technical issues here and I was trying to rectify it. So now we are going to continue with the multiplication and all. I hope you guys can hear. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. It was not expected. Okay. Here, I told you that we are going to have 33 times 11, right? And 33 times 11, you multiply 33 times 11 is nothing, but you add 3 and 3, we write it in the middle. What is the answer? We get 363. Okay, now, come on, 44 times 11. Can you multiply them and put it in the chart? 44 times 11. 44 times 11. 44 times 11. Agnes, you can watch it in the YouTube channel, okay? 44 times 11. Very good. Very good. You are getting it right. And that was a very simple thing. And do you know, even if there are 20 digits or 25 digits or 1 trillion digits, 1 million digits, we can use this strategy to multiply a number by 11. I'm going to write a small number right now. Look at that. Okay, I'm writing the 33214 multiplied by 11. How will you do this? I'll teach you that strategy. First, you want to multiply a number by which number? This is a 5-digit number, 33,214. So I will tell you the strategy to multiply before moving to the multiplication parts, how to do multiplication tables up to 100 in just a half an hour. And we will extend the class for 10 minutes to cope up with what we lost. So here, if you want to multiply this number 11 by 11, you write that 4 first here. This is 4. And what did I write? I did write that 4 just below. Now add 4 and 1. The nearest number. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then add 1 and 2. That is 3. And then add 2 and 3. That is 5. Then add 3 and 3. That is 6. And finally, you have to put this 3 as it is if there is no remainder. So this is the answer. So I'll make it clear by the next question. I think I am visible to you very clearly. I'm doing 321 multiplied by 11. It's a very small number, right? You can see that. And now to multiply this number by 11, write that 1 here. I simply wrote down that number 1. And now I have to add this 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then I have to add 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. And I have to add simply 0 to it. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3,531. Look at that, what a big calculation it was. And we did it very, very easily. And then, let me give another question. 422 times 11. How will you do that? I will explain it once again. Write that 2 as it is. Then go for 2 plus 2. That is 2 plus 2 is 4. And then we add 4 and 2. That is 6. And finally 4 plus 0. What is 4 plus 0? That is 4. That's the answer. Did you get it? Yes, I'm going to give you one more question. Can you try it out yourself? I'll write a small number, 3-digit number. 324 multiplied by 11. Try it, please. Very good, very good, very good. I am getting answer from BG Madhav from, okay, very good, Pavitram, and okay, I get a lot of answers actually. You can see that in the chat box. Very good, children. You're awesome. You're doing a great job. Let me give a big next number. 521. I'll give a 4-digit number. 5,214 multiplied by 11. 5,214 multiplied by 11. Do you need that 11 there? No. We don't need that 11. We can just look at the question and write down. Very good. 4. Do it carefully. Do it carefully. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. It's 4. So first, second digit is 10th place is 5. Okay. And then it is 3. Then it is 7. And last digit is 5. Wow. Awesome. Kavita, wonderful. Divya, very good, Divya. You have done a good job. Come on. Advait boy. Okay. Very good. Advait, very good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Very good. This is the fun with, 11. And in Vedic mathematics, and let me talk about it, because of the technical issue, I could not be so casual because of these issues. So let us relax and learn now. So if we want to do any multiplication table in mathematics, if you learn Vedic mathematics, you needn't by heart it. You can improvise it. The first thing I am going to do is, many of the students may not need it right now because all the multiplication tables up to 9. But if your younger ones are struggling without knowing what are the multiplication table facts, you can help them. You can teach them and be a star. For example, any multiplication table above 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am giving this strategy, and you can use this strategy for teaching others if you already know it, so that they won't struggle a lot. Now here we have the next one. Let me give you the question. I have 8 multiplied by 8. Be very careful. It's going to be very useful to you. You no need to mark up any table. And sometimes, even I ask 7th, 8th grade students, what is 8 times 8? They take a long time and sometimes end up with the wrong answer. Yes, everybody knows it is 64. But can you give me a way where you can get this answer without mugging up? That is what I am going to do. Okay, what you have to do is to subtract both number from 10. You can do it mentally. Subtract both this 8 and 8 from 10. And that is 2, right? 2, we get 2 here. So what did I do? I subtracted 8 from 10 and I got 2 here. And I subtracted this 8 from 10. I got 2 here. I hope I am clear. If you are not clear, please put a message in the chat. Okay, 8, 10 minus 8 is 2. 10 minus 8 is 2. Now, to get the first part of the answer, you have to do 2 times 2. Which 2 times 2? This 2 times 2. What is 2 times 2? 2 times 2 is 4. Got it? I wrote down okay, I will explain it. First, write down 8 and 8. I'll give more examples. Okay. Okay, I mean I am not clear, right? My audio is not clear. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. And then the next part is 8 minus 2. What is 8 minus 2? That is 6. So we have 64. What did you get? We didn't by heart it. We didn't do anything. Just wrote down 8 times 8 and we got the answer. 8 times 8 is 64. Let me give one more question. One more question like 7 times 7. 7 times. Okay, 7 times 9. A bigger digit. Write down the difference between 10 and 7. 10 minus 7, that is 3. And write down what is 10 minus 9, that is 1. That's all. We got this. If you know this, you can get the answer. That is fine, isn't it? It's very easy. Still, I want to tell you, cover it. Okay. Next one. The first part of the answer will be 1 times 3. 1 multiplied by 3. What is 1 multiplied by 3? That is 3. The second part can be 7 minus 1 or 9 minus 3. Anything you can do. What is 7 minus 1? That is easy for me. I do 7 minus 1 is 6. What is 7 nines are? 63. So, whenever you are in doubt, write it out. When in doubt, write it out. That's the best way to do maths. When in doubt, write it out. So you got, 7 nines are. I hope you all of you are getting. And now we are going from 11 to 11 times table. 21 times table, 31 times table, 41 times table, 51 times table, 61 times table, 71 times table, 81 times table, 91 times table, and 101 also you can do. Using a simple strategy. I will teach you. 21 into 9, you have to carry over, man. You have asked me a question 21 times, right? Fine. You have to carry over. You can always say, or what you guys can do is you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and, you can put some questions over there. I will give the answers there. Okay. If you have any doubt, just put it in the, subscribe to our website, channel, and just write down all your comments and everything there. I'm sorry, I had a very bad beginning because of this tech issue. We will come out of it soon. Very good, very good, very good. All of you should do that. Okay. And I'll be in touch with you. Don't worry. This is only a first live. And I am also first time going live. I have been taking online class on online platform. Okay. And this is trial also, right? How it is going to work. And it's working. Now it's okay. Next time we will do much better. Okay. Then let me give you another question. Or shall we go to 11 times, 21 times, 31 times, 41 times table? Yes, that is what we are going to. Yeah, maybe because that is your net is little slow and you can move to a place where have a good connectivity. Okay, now 21 to I am giving you 11 time all the timetables which is ending with 1. Every timetable which is ending with 1. And I know guys, you are very fine, very good, interacting very well. And before going to that, let me introduce Aditri, who has been with me for some time, long time. She's so daughter with me, and she's here to perform. And you can ask give your birth date, for example, November 16th, August 15th, March 16th, like that. She will answer it now. She will say which day it is. Hi, Aditri. You can hear me, right?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Very good, very good. And you guys, before we go into 31, 41, 51, we have a wonderful time. Aditri, all are waiting for your answer. And
Yes.
January 18th, Reha,
January This year it is a Tuesday.
January 18th is Tuesday. Okay, very good. Okay, August date. Hima, you are say the date. Date. October 5th. October 5th. Can you say October 5th this year?
You said October 5th, right?
Yeah.
So it's on Tuesday. On Wednesday.
Okay, you can check the calendar. Okay, she is not taking any time at all. And October 16th, Kavita has given us October 16th.
October 16th. This year it is Saturday. Means on a Sunday.
Sunday or Saturday?
Sunday, sir, Sunday.
Sunday. Okay, and next one, anybody? November 29th. Vinay is asking when is his birthday? What date falls on?
November 21, right?
Vinay, well, let me check. Oh, it has gone a long way. Okay. Vinay, you can put it again. Okay, then. Dhruti is asking July 7th.
July 7th. This year, this year, July 7th, it is on Thursday.
Okay, last year, when was it?
Last year it was on Wednesday.
Okay. Soumya, July 9. Guys, there are so many, so I'm seeing your dates and just passing it to.
July,
And July,
yeah.
July 11th.
July 9. Huh?
July 11th.
July 11th means Monday.
Monday, December 21st.
December 21st.
Yes.
This year it is Wednesday.
Okay, last year it was
Tuesday.
Okay, children, and this we have a lot of you can ask like this is the power of Vedic Maths. She is doing the calculation mentally. She has been with me for the last 2 years, and lives in Bangalore, and she's she's very near me, and she is getting trained online. And we have October 11th also, December 11th, December 31st, Akhila Raj is asking this, and so many people are
December
asking now.
31st. December
Okay.
31st. This year Saturday.
And January 27th?
January 27th. This year it is Thursday.
It is Thursday. It takes some time. See, I cannot explain it in 1 day or 1 hour. And we have all the things in our, we have a program, Vedic Maths program conducting where we are teaching all this stuff. Okay. She has been with me 2 years, and she loves Vedic Maths so much, and she started just like a normal child, and she is one of the best students in her class now, getting 7% most of the time. And getting maths, learning Vedic Maths will change you from the grassroots level. And this is one example. What are the three? And we have a lot of students to present, but this is not meant for that. So I hope that you guys relaxed, and we are going back to our class. Okay. And now I want to see 30. I'll teach you 31 times any table. 31 times 1, 31 times 2, 31 times 3, 31 times 4, 31 times 5, everything. What you have to do is to look at that. What is 3 ones are? 3 times 1 is 3. And simply write this one. That is 31 times 1. 31 times 2. Multiply this 3 with 2. 3 2s are 6. Then write this 2. 62. And 31 times 3. What will you do? You don't try to mug up any multiplication 10 here after, okay? 3 times 3 is 9. Which 3 times 3? This 3 times 3. And then we write this number 3. What is the answer? 93. Okay, now 31 times 4. 31 times 4. 3 4s are 12. And simply write this 4. What is the answer? 124. Okay, now 31 times 5. 31 times 5. 3 5s are 15. And then we have this 5. 155. Okay, let's go for the next question. 41 times table. I'll take and you can answer in the chat box. Okay, I will not write the answer now onwards. I'll write 51 times 2 onwards because everybody knows what is 51 times 1. Can you write down the answer? First, don't try to calculate. Simply do it in the mind. 5 2s are. First you have to write 5 2s are. 5 2s, you know 5 2s are 10 and 2. Very good. 102. Who gave me the answer? Soumya. Awesome, Soumya. The next one. Rajeshwari. Okay, very Rajeshwari. 5 2s are 10. Okay, 5 2s are 10. I did this. 5 times 2, 10. Then I am not doing anything. I am simply writing this 2. 102. Now, 51 times 3. 51 times 3. 51 times 3 is 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. And then we write this 3. 153. Okay, shall I give you now question? Once again, I will explain. 5 3s are, that is this part. 5 times 3. We don't do anything with this one. And then we write this 3 as it is. Okay, 51 4s are. What you can do? 5 4s are 20 and 1 4s are. Or we can write simply 4. 204. Okay, let's try this yourself. You can try this yourself. I'll give 31 times 7. Please try this. Yes, 31 times 7. Come on. Yes, 31 times 7. 3 7s are. 3 7s are. 3 7s are. 21. Very good. First answer given by, okay, Nasri. Okay. So Riddhi 21 7. 217. Very good. Navya 21 7. Very good. Go. Okay. Go. Oh, wow. My God. A lot of answers. Okay. Ratna girl. Very good. Ambadi's block. Okay. Ambadi's block. 3 7s are 21. And then we write 7. Yes. Very good. Divya only wrote 3. Okay. 5. Next one. 41. Okay. I'll give a big number. 91 times 3. Can you answer 91 times 3? You must simply know what is 9 3s are. You must simply know what is 9 3s are. 9 3s are what? 9 3s are? Yes, perfect, Soumya. You got it first. And okay, it's 3, ending with 3. So 973. Bimbo, very good, very good, very good, very good. Shashank, very good response. Very good answer, quick answer. Come on, very good. All of it type, all of it write. Write down in the chat box. Don't use pen and paper. It's not necessary. Okay. Very good. Okay. Yumi and okay. Last one. Okay. Very good. Pushpa. Very good. It's easy, right? Now you can write any multiplication table. You can improvise any multiplication table from 11. 11 times 1 is same thing. I'll show you. That's very easy. That's why I'm not showing. Okay. 11 times 3. For example, 3 1s are 3 and 3. 33. I'm using it. You everybody knows it. Right. This 11 times table is very easy for everyone. Okay. I hope this part is clear to you. So, okay. Okay. 1 minute. Yes. Okay, the 3. Aditi, right? Aditi, you have to write the, okay, you have to write, the answer is not correct, right, Aditi? Okay, let me go for the next part. Now we are going to take all the multiplication table. any multiplication table that is starting from 11 to any number. There is no condition. Okay. Okay. So now we pay full attention. You are going to learn all the multiplication tables, how to make all the multiplications tables from 11 to 99, because you know all the 10s table, okay, 9 tables and all. The first thing I ask you to do is to one strategy you have to practice. I will clear all your doubts. You can put it in the YouTube. Okay, I can't see Aditi Tati. Please, could you please put a message in the chat box? Aditi Tati. Okay. Yes. Now I say you have to learn. Okay, you have to learn a strategy that is called combining. Combining means putting numbers together. For example, 2 and 3. What is 2 and 3? We say when you are combining, you simply say 23. What is the answer? 23. 7 and 5. I am asking you to combine. And you know the answer is 75. What is 7 and 5? That is 75. 8 and 2. What is 8 and 2? The answer is 82. Okay. And now 6 and 7. The answer is 67. See, it's the easy thing now. Everybody in this class, even in the UKG, they can do that. Very, very easy. Am I buffering? Okay. Next one. 6 and 13. This is a different case. If you get a number like that, if I ask you to combine a number like this, 16, 3 or 6 and 13, what you have to do is to add the 16 and 1, you get 17. You get 17. Okay, you get 17 and you have 3. 16 and 13. This is the only thing you have to learn to make multiplication tables up to 100. So 16, now you know that 16 plus 1 is 17 and then we have 3. The answer is 173. The answer is 173. Why 173? I added this 16 and 1 and I put 3. What's the answer? 173. Now let me give another question. 15 and 12. What do you have to do? Look at the second number. The second number is 12. So it has got 2 digits. What are they? 1 and 2. So add the first digit with 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So you know what is the answer now. 1. Nivu, very good. Nivu. Okay. So very good. 162. What's the answer? You are getting 162. If you are clear about it, you can make any multiplication table up to 100, even up to 1000. But now up to 100 we are focusing. Let me give another question. 42 and 13. How will you combine it? There are 2 digits in the second number. That is 1. So 42 plus 1 is 43. 43. And then we have 3. 433. This is combining. This is not multiplication table. This is not addition. This is not subtraction. This is a specific trick in Vedic mathematics to improvise multiplication tables up to 100. Okay, now I'll go for another one. 44 and 44. What will you do? You add 44 plus 4. You get 48. 48 and then you get 4. What's the answer? 484. Did you get it? Now let me give one more question. You can answer this. 22 and 13. Can you try this please? 22 and 13. Are you getting it? If any issue in the net, please let me know. I hope I am audible now and clear now. Okay, children, this is what we have to do. Let me come to the point and we can practice more of multiplication table using this strategy. I will help you with that. So 22 plus 1 is 23 and then we write this 3. Okay. And I have one more question to give you, some more questions to give you. 40, 46 and 21. 46 and 21. What we have to do is to add 46 plus 46 and 2, we get 48 and it will be, finally we write this one as it is. So what is the answer? 481. So only two things you have to focus. If you get a question like 12 and 6, look how many digits are there in the second number. See how many digits are there in the second number. And if there is only one digit, write it as it is. If in this area, if the second number is only a single digit, simply put it as it is, 126. And if you have two numbers, 12 and 16, what we have to do? Add 12 and 1, that is 13, then write 6, 136. So that is what we have to do. Okay, so if there are two digits, add the first digit with the first number. If there is only one digit, no need to do anything. Now we will move to improvise multiplication tables up to 100 using this strategy. I'll tell you. 22 times 1. 2 ones are 2. You have that 2 here. Keep it in the mind. 2 ones are 2. You have it. What's the answer? 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. And you have the answer now. What's the answer now? 2, 2, 22. So there is only one digit in the second number. So we simply put it that 22 times 1 is 22. And it is not necessary that you have to learn that. You already know that what exactly it is, right? Now 22 times 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. What's the answer? It is 44. We have only one digit here. So we are simply writing it as it is. And then next one, 22 times 3. What is 2 3s are? It is 6. And again 2 3s are 6. What's the answer? It is 66. I hope everybody can. No, okay. I am not able to see. Is the chat box working? It's not working. Okay, I hope now we can. Okay, now next one. I'm going to show you next question. 22 times 4. How will you do that? 2 4s are 8 and 8. The answer is 88. Okay, now 24 times 5. Here comes the difference. What's the difference here? We have 2 5s are 10 and 2 5s are 10. You can do it in the head. 10, 10. What is 10 plus 1? That is 11. And then we write down the 0. This strategy we can use for any table. We have done, yes, we can do all the timetables, and you can now take down your book and try to write down this multiplication table yourself while I am giving more and more explanation. Now, 33 times table. Look at that. 33 times 1, that is 33. And 33 times 2, that is 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. What is that? 66. See how easy it becomes. 33 times 3, that is 99. Because 3 9s are, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Next one. 33 times 4, that is 12, and 12, that is what? We have 2 digits here, so we have to add 12 and 1. 12 plus 1 is 13, and the last digit is 2. 132. Okay, now 33 times 5. We have 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, and we have 165 here. What we got? We got 165. So, okay, that is how we can make improvised multiplication table, and you need a little practice. But now let us try it mentally. Let's try 33 times 6. What you do? Just to put it in the mind, 3 6 are 18. And 3 6 are 18, because you are multiplying 33 times 8. So 18 and 18 you combine in the head. 18 and 18. You take 18, add the first digit of the second 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So 33 times 6. Right. 33 times 6. I asked you to multiply 18, and we get two numbers, 18 and 18. Now you add them together. 18 plus 1 is what? 18 plus 1 is 19, and we have 8, 198. It takes no time. And we have even UKG Adit, he was not able to present because of some technical issue, but he can even improvise multiplication tables up to 100. He's hardly 5 years old. And everybody, even, it is possible with very, very systematic training, and we have all the worksheets, we have all the system to change a 5-year-old into a math wizard in no time. We don't even need 2 years to do that. So we can do that with Vedic mathematics. There are a lot of things to learn, and I explained the strategy for improvising multiplication table. I use same digits. Now let me do a different digit. For example, 48 times table. 48 times 11. You know that 4 ones are 4, 8 ones are 8, 48. Now let's do 48 times 2. 8 and 16. What is that? 8 and 8 twos are 16. 8 and 16 you combine and you get 96. And 48 times 3. Look at that. 48 times 3. What will you do? 12 and 24. 12 and 24. That is 144. Do you need time? And 48 times 4. 16 and 32. What is that answer? 192. Okay. 48 times 5. What will you do? 20 and 40, 240. It needs only 1 second to improvise in our head. Okay, children, I hope that you got it. If you have any doubt, you can put it in the chat box. I'm not sure if the chat box is active right now. If not, you can, one of you, Rameshi or someone can call me and let me know. Okay, Narayana Prasad, are you there right now? Okay, so these are the this is the basic strategy we need to multiply any number by a single digit number. And this is called improvising multiplication tables up to 100. And it can be done amazingly with a little practice. If you practice 1 week, daily write 3 or 4 timetables, and you can get everything in your head without wasting any time. And now I will go to the next portion. What I want to tell you is how to multiply. Hello, hello, hello. Yes. Now we are going to 90. I'm going to show you some interesting features with the numbers. Okay. And this is going to be really fabulous. And this is going to be really, really amazing. If you get a number 666 or 428, you want to multiply it with 5. 484 multiplied by 5. Do you know how we can do this easily? Very easy. What you have to do? Take half of this number. I'm only teaching even digits right now. Okay, you can try with even digits. In our regular class, we will give all the conditions. Okay, 4. Half of 4 is 2. And half of 8 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. We write down that and then add 1 0. What is the answer? 2420. 2420. What did you exactly do? You just wrote down the half of each number. Half of 4 is 2. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. And I wrote down 1 0. So that is the answer. Now 888 multiplied by 5. It's very easy. What you do? You write half of it, 444, and add 1 0. 4440. Okay, now 688 multiplied by 5. What you do? You get half of this 6, 3, half of this 8, that is 4, and half of this 8, 4, and add 1 0. That is the answer. I hope you guys are really getting it. And now, okay, this is going to be 11:30 right now, and we have some technical issue that was, I know it would be this should be like this. This stream should be like this, maybe meant for being like this. We will organize another stream later, and we will try to do better. Okay, I say sorry for all the inconveniences. And now you can go for this, and let me talk about this Vedic mathematics first of all. And I was doing this Vedic mathematics almost 10 years. I now 13, absolutely, Vedic mathematics. Have been a teacher for about 25 years and working in different states. And we have a lot of students from abroad also right now. And I've trained minimum, I think, 1 lakh students of this, over my 10 years time. And I worked in Kerala, and I know that there are students from Kerala, St. Thomas Public Schools, Kerala here. And you can write down the name of the schools also now. Who else are there here? St. Thomas Public School is there. I hope so. And Shivaganga School, Shivaganga is a famous singer, and her school is participating right now. And there are 2 schools are there. One is her present school students are here, and also Holy Mary students are here. And also we have a lot of students from different parts of Bangalore also. And what I say is, we know Vedic Maths can do magics. And if you start learning Vedic mathematics, it is not just addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. What you can do? You can do squares, square roots, cubes, cube roots, percentages, decimals, ratio, proportion, fractions, everything what you're covered in from 10th grade. And it can save your time by 10 times. I mean, it will make your calculation 10 times faster. And many students from other countries are very crazy about Vedic mathematics. I'm not able to manage all the students when they are asking for individual classes, and I'm taking group classes mostly now. And what's the next thing? And most of the thing, about 60 to 70% of the calculations can be done mentally using Vedic mathematics. And some percentage, a 30-40%, we can do in single line using Vedic math strategies. You don't need to write all the way. Just to quicker, faster, you can get the answer. And how it is going to help you. And there may be a lot of questions in the questions among you. First one, how it is useful. It is useful. It's a great tool for checking the answers after writing down the answers in your, using your conventional method. For example, if you answer all the questions using your school method, checking the answers make a big difference. And that can get you a lot of marks back. You would have made a lot of silly calculation mistakes, and using this Vedic mathematics, it will help you get 100% mark if you are really careful. Okay, that's the first benefit of Vedic mathematics. Second thing, it makes you love mathematics. I've shown some calculations here, some wonderful calculations that we have never thought of. Yes, there are a lot of things you can do using this Vedic mathematics. Even percentages, you can do it mentally. And if you go to a shop, for example, I can give an example, simple example. You have given 1,000 rupees to the shopkeeper or 10,000 rupees to the shopkeeper. You have bought something for 8,644. What is the balance you have to get? In Vedic Maths, it's very simple. What you can do to subtract a number from this 1,000, 10,000, etc. You have to subtract the last digit from 10. You get 6. All other digits from 9. 5, 3, 1. What's the answer? I subtracted. How did I do? I looked at this 8,644. I subtracted the last digits from 10. I got 6. And I subtracted all other digits. All 8, 6, and 4 from 9. See that 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 9 minus 8 is 1. See that it can be done mentally. And let me show you one more example. I think that you guys will be getting it. So I have, for example, 1,000 rupees. I will take a small number, 1,000 rupees. And you have spent 888 rupees. And what is the answer? The last digit from 10, that is 2. All other digits from 9. This 8 is subtracted from 10. The rest of the digits, how many ever, we subtracted from 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. So what is 1,000 minus 888? It is 112. Okay, Narayana Prasadji, are you, can you hear me? Yes, could you please talk, unmute and talk? Sometimes we miss the chance first time.
Good morning, everybody. So this Vedic Maths, so supporting all of us. So good for all kids. So try to join. Hearing now? Saji Mas?
Yes, hearing. Yes,
okay,
we can hear you.
Great. So good class. So you can a better future for everybody. So try to join the Vedic Maths. So tell me what is the suitable time and all. Just inform me. Based on you can organize this class. So wish you all the best for everybody. Good. Thank you, Shajimash. Continues.
Thank you so much, Narayana Prasadji.
Yeah.
Yes, that was Narayana Prasadji, who is a great supporter, and he nourishes all the ancient Indian values, not only Vedic mathematics. He's a very well-known person. He is a state-level administrator in Kerala and Karnataka, and we are really lucky to have you with us and encouraging us and helping our students to learn better. Thank you, Narayana Prasadji, a lot. And children, I am coming back to you again, and we have some more time. I'll take 5 to 10 minutes again. Let us do this. You are going to the shop, and you are going to give 1,000 rupees back again. You have spent 66 rupees. What is the balance? Just no need to do anything. Just subtract the last digit from. You can do from left to right or right to left. Can you do the same thing in school math? From left, right, and right, left? There's no chance, right? Here you can do it. 9 minus 6, that is 3. 9 minus 6, that is 3. And the last from 10, that is 4. What is the balance you have to get from the shop? 334 rupees. Do you need a calculator to do this calculation? It's very simple. And I really wonder why many people are not aware of that, not trying to understand anything about Vedic Maths. The reason it has a name Vedic with it. And people have a misconception that thinking that whatever comes with Vedic is something related to religion. No. Vedic Math has nothing to do with religion. But it has a lot to do with you guys, you students. And you stop mugging up this multiplication table from 1 to 9 and you start loving math. And you stop, calculating using this what's a calculator, or you will Google or anything. Use your brain. And math is the only subject which makes you do so. And whenever you have a chance to calculate, please try to do it in the brain. That is a good exercise for our brain. And see, every day we eat a lot of food, very good food. And we try to wear nice dress. And what do you do with your brain? Don't you want to have a sharp brain? And how I can make the brain sharp? The best subject is maths. And Vedic Maths especially, because it makes you do the calculation completely in the brain without using any abacus or any frame. You don't need any mediator there. You can purely do this calculation in the head. Isn't it good? And once when I went to school, I asked a student, what is 33 multiplied by 101? The poor student, what did he do? He, sir, I need a pen. Then I asked, why? I can't do it mentally. It's such a big number. What? It's a big number. I never knew that's a big number because I know what is 101 Vedic mathematically. And if I am learning Vedic Maths, no numbers can scare me. What you have to do is, guys, just write this 33 2 times. That is the answer. Do you need to do all the calculation? And imagine, you are learning Vedic mathematics. And the other, a few students are not learning Vedic mathematics. When you attend a competitive exam like banking exam or CAT exam or SAT exam, whatever it is, the students who know these techniques will finish their test faster, quicker, and they will check all the mistakes, then they will correct and they will get better score. And if you are writing 33 into, 101 into 33 times 3 times 3 is 300, blah, 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 what will happen? You will, by the time you finish half of the answer, the other people would have completed and they would have handed out the paper and you will be out of the exam. So it's very important. This mental math, you have to improve. That's the first, it's a brain gym for you. And second thing, it will help you getting great score in exams. Don't just look at school. School, the teachers need to see the steps. I do agree. But you know that this maths what we are learning in first, second, third, we end up in 7th or 8th grade. And thereafter, we no need to do. We have no time to do all the steps. So what will you do then? This Vedic Maths will come handy and you can rock in the mathematics. And I know that we have proved it. And when I started Vedic Maths in the year, first I had to go here and say, sir, this is Vedic Maths. Can I introduce this in your school? They will say, why? The children have to write all the steps. And what is it going to have? And how? I don't think it is useful. I wandered around 2 to 3 years holding a bag in my hand, approaching all the principals and all. But in Kerala, when I reached there, I had a wonderful school which supported me a lot. That one was St. Thomas Public School. and then like Montfort School. And there come after one school, when I go to one school, 1 year I practice and I developed the children. I improved the kids and I began to demonstrate with them. And now I train 1 lakh students with the power of, I am not a good speaker. I don't know whether I am a good speaker, but I am sure I'm a good teacher because my students prove it. And my students are the best ones in the world. Why? You can never see any Vedic maths calculation, speed calculation anywhere in the YouTube. The children, you can see abacus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus, that is limited by addition and subtraction. And multiplication is very tough there. But in Vedic maths, after squaring, finding the cube root of a 10-digit number can be done in 3 seconds. Can you believe that? Such a powerful tool we have, Vedic mathematics. So I request all of you, our workshops, we'll be organizing workshops here and there. And we have a regular program, a wonderful program. We are arranging wonderful workshops in the schools and all. Every school who wants to improve their children sincerely can add this Vedic maths to their curriculum. And you know, our first school which appreciated us was the Indus International School, India's #1 school. And from there, we never looked back. And now there is a team with Tattvamasi. You know Tattvamasi, you would have heard about Tattvamasi, right? They are giving great service, giving a lot of people jobs, and saving a lot of families, thousands of families. And that was Narayana Prasadji who was present here. And we have such a fabulous person. And Rameshji, who is really we can say that he has been with me and working every moment for Vedic mathematics. And in the morning, he makes me wake up, and he until end, he keeps on asking me, sir, how is the progress today? How was it? How many students are? It's very tensed also. And he is very sincere person, and I'm very lucky to have in my team. And next one was Premnathji. He actually loves to nourish this Vedic maths and reach everyone in the world. That is the passion he has. And all this team, we are together. And now I believe you guys also are with me. Sorry if we had some technical issues in the very beginning. Okay, I say absolutely sorry for all the issues and all. Maybe it was our first attempt also. Okay, next time we will do it better. Okay, congratulations. For remember, we have learned multiplication by 11. We learned multiplication table 31 times 31 times 1, 31 times 2, and then we went for 33 times 11. Any questions you can put it in the chat box in the YouTube, and whenever I have time, I will try to help you out. Okay, thank you, children. Thank you so much for being the part of it. Have a wonderful day.